In this presentation, we'll be using law of cosines to solve for line A. We have our givens, line C, 21, line B, 27, and angle A, 100 degrees. We'll use the given formula, A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of angle A. So right now we're looking for A. A squared equals B squared, which is 27 squared, plus C squared, 21, minus 2, times B, 27, times 21, times the cosine of angle A, which is 100. So you plug this into your calculator. It's best to plug it in by part so that you won't get confused. So we do 27 squared plus 21 squared, which is 729, plus 441. Then you multiply 2 times 27 times 21, and you multiply that by the cosine of 100, which gives you 1,134. You then add 729 plus 441, which gives you 1,170, minus 1,134 times the cosine of 100, and following PEMDAS, you multiply 1,134 times the cosine of 100, and you get negative 196.917. So then you add 1,170 plus negative 196.917, and that gives you your A. Your A squared. So you've reached your A squared. Your next step is to find the square root of this number. Once you found the square root of this number, you then reach your A, which is 36.97, and you plug it into the triangle. And that's how you solve for the line of A with law of cosines. Here's another example of how to use a law of cosine to find sine A. So we have our givens. Line C, 29. Line B, 16, and angle A, 116 degrees. So we have a given formula to find A. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2B times C times the cosine of A. All you have to simply do is plug in your givens into the formula. So we're solving for A. B squared is 16 squared plus 29 squared minus 2, 16 times 29 times the cosine of 116. You plug this into your calculator, And once again, it's best to do it in parts so that you won't get confused. A squared equals 256 plus 841 minus 2 times 16 times 29 times the cosine of 116. You then add 256 plus 841, which is 1,097, minus 128, which is 2 times 16 times 29, times the cosine of 116, so you have 1,097 minus 928 times the cosine of 116. Okay, you then multiply 928 times the cosine of 116 to get negative 406.808. And you add 1,097 plus negative 406.808 to get 1,503.808. You then put your a squared into the square root sign to find a. And your a is 38.78.